Okay guys, check out this project. Totally forgot to record this project. We did this a couple weeks ago. You guys might remember this is the job site where we did the patio, we did the front steps, and now we did a little privacy screen for structure here. The homeowners are going to be putting in a mantle, like a privacy screen mantle right here. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to give them privacy for their patio. And then check it out. We also went ahead and installed privacy section fences right here. Boom, boom. And we installed this green giant right here. Beautiful. Come over here. This way we installed another set of privacy fences. The homeowner planted this. They're gonna plant this one as well. They transplanted all this. They just want a little bit more privacy here on their property, but they don't want a whole fence. They don't want that look. Obviously, fences are ugly in my opinion, but sometimes they're needed. But as of now, this looks beautiful. Came out nice. It gives it that little natural look with a little bit of modern mixture in it, whatever you want to call it. But in my opinion, I love it. It looks good. It just needs stained, obviously. But we ended up installing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 panels. Check it out. Beautiful. Feeling really nice. Oh, and you guys can remember where we did the steps right here. Everything's still looking really good. That's pretty much it. Right now, I just came back to this job site. We did this like 2 weeks ago. I came back because the bolts that we originally installed here were 6-inch bolts and they were too big. You guys can see right there. They stick out, so I swapped them out with 5-inch bolts. These are obviously not true 6 inches. They're 5.5-inch, which sucks. That's how wood is nowadays, but oh well, it's fine. Doesn't really matter. Right now we are switching the 6-inch ones with the 5-inch. So I had to run back and get the screw, the correct size and everything, but we got it. We're about to make it work. You guys can see we notched it up there. There we go. So it's a little project that we did, guys. And if you're interested in it, you're in my area and you're interested in something like this, feel free to hit me up, contact me, and then we can work something out with getting you an estimate for, privacy fence right there. Check it out. Beautiful.